Okay, on the 65 Mustang blower motor, it was making a whirring noise, a high-pitched kind of woo. It's kind of hard to describe, but as you turn the wheels, you could feel it do it, and it changed a little bit. But here's what I'm going to do. I've taken this thing off in a previous video, and I'm going to show you. Now, you can buy this thing, but you know, I thought I'd give it a chance since it's not hard to change. First of all, I took, and just for demonstration purposes, I don't have this open. I've already done this, but I've got a bottle of 8090 gear oil. Now, this isn't the exact bottle. This is something else. But for demonstration purposes, there's a hole in the side of this blower motor, and down inside there, you probably can't see it, but there's the bottom here is where the shaft protrudes, and they have its well, in the end pieces, it's a protruding cover. But the bushing, it's actually a bushing, is inside there. But you can access, and what I did was I held, without the lid on it of course, the 8090 gear lube, and you can see down in there with some reading glasses and a flashlight. You can actually drip this 8090 gear lube right down through there, and you can see it hit the shaft. Now as you're doing that, you can, if there's any slack, which this one didn't have any slack, but you can raise up on it, and then it'll help the grease to go in, and then you can turn it. And as you turn it, it'll allow that grease to go down in, 8090 gear lube to go down in there. So I did that, and then also, if you'll look underneath the blower motor, without having to actually remove it, there is actually even a weepo I noticed right down here by where the wires go in, just above it. Let's see if you can see it right, yeah. Try to point it out with my ink pen. Right here is kind of a weepo. I discovered that as I was putting the grease, just as I described on the other side, I was putting it right below the fan here, turning it, of course, turning it up like this, and you hold the bottle and let it drip down onto the shaft, and then of course you immediately turn it back up like this, and you allow the grease to go back in. I hate the sound of that traffic on that highway, guys, I'm sorry, but I hope you can hear me. But then as you sit there and spin it and allow that grease to run down that shaft, it'll get in that bushing. And I noticed that some of it had ran out through that weep hole right there, and so I went ahead and turned it up, and I also put some down inside that weep hole, which is on the other side of the bushing. And so I let it sit there and run down, and of course then you got to turn it up this way to let it run down and turn it a little bit. So I'm going to reinstall it and find out if it fixes it or not. If it doesn't make the whirring noise anymore, then we're going to be good with it. Other than that, I guess we can buy another one. If we have to, we will. Hey, if you guys would, please click the bell and subscribe, and click the like button. Hey, maybe you don't like it. I guess you can click the dislike button. But you know what? Honesty goes a long ways. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope they help someone. God bless you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.